If you want to delete Telegram from your computer and you want to do it quickly and safely, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to uninstall Telegram desktop on Windows. This is a great tutorial if you no longer use the app, want to free up space, or just want to clean up your computer. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the control panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by searching for a control panel in the start menu and clicking on it when it appears. Once the control panel opens, look for the option that says uninstall a program and click it. This will take you to the list of programs currently installed on your computer. Now, in the search bar or program list, start typing Telegram. This helps you find the app faster without scrolling through everything manually. When Telegram desktop appears in the results, click on it to highlight it. After that, look at the top of the list for the uninstall button and click it. Windows may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the program, so when the confirmation box appears, click Yes to continue. At this point, Telegram desktop will begin uninstalling from your computer. Just wait a few moments while Windows removes the application. Once the process is finished, Telegram should be deleted from your system, and that's it. You've successfully deleted Telegram from your computer. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple how-to guide.